What's going on, guys? This is Cam from SolveX Media, and in today's video I'm breaking down the 7 most powerful psychology lessons that we use across our clients to boost conversion rates by an average of 286%. To be successful in conversion rate optimization today, marketers often need to be great psychologists. Knowing what makes people tick and placing those psychological triggers in the right way can be extremely helpful when it comes to increasing conversion rates and just getting better marketing results. The following 7 must-know psychology lessons that you should apply to your strategy as soon as possible to boost your digital marketing game, your return on ad spend. 1. Emotional marketing. There are 2 types of strategies that affect consumer buying behaviors. Rational marketing promotes the quality and usefulness of the product, emphasizes the benefits, and appeals to the rational and logical consumer, whereas emotional marketing approaches consumers on a personal level and focuses on the tone, lighting, and mood to increase loyalty and boost conversions. It's been proven that consumers base their purchase decisions around feelings and emotions rather than the rational information of product features and attributes. So it's worth remembering that consumers and customers will more likely be loyal to brands that evoke positive emotional response. Use this knowledge in your content marketing strategy and create content that 1. Inspires, creates excitement and interest, so remind them of special moments, and then 2, sparks conversation, reactions, and engagement. Apple is a perfect example of a company that uses emotions to connect with their consumers and increase brand loyalty. 2. Social proof. Social proof is one of the most important tactics for influencing and convincing customers. It is based on the fact that people love to follow the behaviors of others. You guys have heard the quote, "Nothing draws a crowd quite like a crowd." We tend to adopt the beliefs or mimic the actions of people we trust and admire. So implement this knowledge in your marketing strategy, on your website, on your landing pages by 1, using user-generated content, testimonials, and reviews, and 2, social plugins and sharing buttons. 3, grounded cognition. Grounded cognition theory is based on the principle that people can experience a story that they read, watch, or hear as if it was happening to them. It also states that people tend to forget dry facts and figures. If you want your customers to remember your message, you have to incorporate it into your story. Taking this into account can radically boost your CRO marketing by 1, speaking to your audience in a friendly way, 2, telling the stories that they can actually empathize with, and 3, sharing personal stories or experiences. High Brew Coffee provides a great example of a personal story that enables the audience to connect with the brand. The founder of the company, David Smith, together with his wife, have shared their story of coming up with their business idea. They let the audience know exactly where it comes from, a long trip through the Caribbean with their whole family. 4, the paradox of choice. Giving people the freedom of choice can positively influence your marketing efforts. However, too many choices can make people nervous and can negatively impact conversion rates. According to psychologist Barry Schwartz, providing people with limited range of choices reduces their anxiety and leads to better marketing results. Use this knowledge and 1, emphasize a few key points at a time, 2, create clear CTAs, and 3, give customers no more than 2 clear paths to follow. The power of relevant CTAs cannot be underestimated. Price charting saw a 621% increase in conversion rates by improving their CTAs using a split testing tool. The paradox of choice theory can be applied also if you wish to offer your customers a wider range of choices. For example, while Amazon offers millions of products, they still manage to avoid choice overload. It is done by highlighting a few different categories of products, each with up to 7 product options. 5, information gap theory. George, I can't pronounce his last name, proposed that people experience a strong emotional response when they reduce a gap between what they know and what they don't know. This means that you have to create a feeling of curiosity within your audience and give them the information that fulfills their need for knowledge. An effective way to incorporate it within your content marketing, within your website, within your landing page, is to create very, very powerful headlines. There are plenty of free online tools that can help with this. I'll save that for another video. 6, the commitment and consistency theory. This theory states that if you make a small commitment towards something, you are much more likely to say yes to the bigger commitment in the future. That means if you can get your customers to make small commitments through your brand, like signing up for a newsletter on your website, they are much more likely to make a larger commitment, say it's in the form of a purchase or subscribing to a membership. To improve your website, landing page, marketing strategy, start with small commitments like ask customers for their contact details. 2, invite them to subscribe to your newsletter. 3, ask prospects to share your content on their social media. 4, offer them something of value. It could be an ebook, it could be a webinar, educating them on who you are and what you have to offer to them. 7, loss aversion theory. This is my personal favorite. Loss aversion theory refers to the tendency of people to avoid losses rather than acquire gains. The negative feelings associated with a loss are twice as powerful as good feelings of a gain. You can effectively use this theory to your advantage if you analyze your audience, learn their fears, and create content, create experiences on your landing page and website that emphasizes the benefits of your brand that eases those fears. Very, very powerful stuff. There are many keyword research tools that can help you better understand what questions people are asking. For instance, Google Keyword Planner or Keyword Explorer. There you have it, guys. Those are the psychological theories that you can use on your website and your landing page to radically improve your conversion rates. We personally use this across each and every design we curate, and that's why our sites convert 286% higher than industry averages. Because remember, guys, a website, a landing page, the number one objective it has is to answer the pains, the goals, the objections one has, and most importantly, shows the bridge in between where they're at and where they want to get to. And the best way you can position yourself as the solution in that bridge is through using psychological triggers. That's it for me, guys. This is Cam from SolveX Media. If you're looking for help when it comes to building a website that converts like crazy, creating a landing page that converts like crazy, or optimizing what you currently have in terms of a conversion funnel, feel free to reach out to me and let's make some magic happen together. Guys, that's it for me. See you on the greener side.